Hey guys, what's up? Today I got my BudgetGadgets package, and for some review purposes, sorry about the shakiness. I'm using my one hand right now, using my brother's iPhone to record this video, and Bella sent this to me for some review purposes. So let's open it up. Okay, I just opened it with some scissors right here. Okay. Oh shoot. Listen guys, this is really hard. Okay, sorry about that. And inside, actually watching a YouTube video right there. Inside we have, here, they sent me, that's all in there. Here's what they sent me for the iPhone 4. This is a cassette tape for the iPhone 4, and this chocolate bar case again for the iPhone 4. I did request on these cases, so thanks to Bella for sending this out to me. Thanks for watching. Review coming up. Peace out.